This conference will now be recorded.
So we'll be starting our next topic, that is inspection execution. Okay. So the topics that we are going to cover there, we will see inspection process flow. Then we will understand what is inspection lot. Okay. Creation of inspection lot, how the inspection lots are created, data in the inspection lot structure basically. Then sample determination in the inspection lot, results recording. What is results recording? Okay, different methods of results recording, how the results recording is performed in the system. Then usage decision, what is usage decision? We'll understand. Then different methods of doing the usage decision, UD, and finally followed by the stock posting. So these are the topics we'll be covering in the inspection execution. Okay, so normally in the industries, based on certain events, okay, system will be generating a inspection lot. Okay, so this using this inspection lot only, the quality analyst in the lab will perform the quality inspection. So this inspection lot is mandatory to perform quality inspection. Okay, all our entire QM module runs based on this lot, inspection lot. So once the inspection lot gets created, there will be a sample determination. Okay, so either you can trigger this sample determination manually or automatically. So there will be a sample determination in the order, in the lot. Using that sample, the quality analyst will take the sample. He will perform the quality inspection in the lab. Okay, once he performs the quality inspection, he will come to the system and then he will do the results recording. So results recording is nothing but entering the actual quality results in the system, results recording. Okay, and if there are any defects, they will do defect recording. This is optional. This is optional. Okay, after that usage decision and followed by the stock posting. Okay, so this is the total end-to-end process flow. So this we will see it in the system. Okay, so basically inspection lot, we'll understand what is inspection lot. Okay, an inspection lot within the SAP QM module is a formal request to a plant to examine specific quantity of a material. So inspection lot is basically the order given to the quality person to check the particular material. Okay, so without inspection lot, basically the quality inspection is not performed in the SAP system. Inspection lot documents the inspection requirement. So basically the inspection requirement comes in the form of lot, inspection lot. It is a prerequisite for inspection. So to carry out inspection activity, the prerequisite is you should have inspection lot. Okay. Inspection lots can contain several operations. I will show you this in the system. Okay. An operation defines which activity is to be performed at a work center. Okay, so these operations can have work center. Now the most important thing, an inspection lot can be created manually by the user or automatically by the system. So you have two methods, creation of inspection lot, either manual or automatic. Okay, we will see both in the system. Inspection lots can be created automatically by events triggered in other components of the logistics supply chain. So normally in the other areas like purchasing, inventory management, or production, or sales, in the other components of the logistics, when they perform some actions, that time these lots can be created automatically, or if required you can create it manually also. Okay, so normally this is the one how the inspection lots are created. Okay, suppose let's say uh, in the in the materials management module, when they receive the materials from the supplier, when they do the GR, system will generate a lot to perform the quality inspection. And in the PM module, when they create a calibration order, when they release, it will generate a lot. Okay, in the PP, when they create a production order and release, or when they do the GR, it will create an inspection lot. In the SD module also, when they do the delivery, when they create an inbound delivery, okay, it will create an inspection lot. And in the deadline monitoring, Okay, in the recurring inspection, it will generate a lot, or whenever required, you can create a lot manually also. Okay, so basically, inspection lot is normally triggered by, gets created because of the events happens in other modules. Very rarely you will be creating it manually. So once the lot gets created, using that lot, they will perform the quality inspection. Okay. So now, before going into the system, we need to understand the inspection lot structure. So what data is available in the inspection lot? Okay, so inspection lot will have the material relevant data. Okay, then it will have lot size data, like what is the total quantity, what is the sample quantity. Then data for inspection lot origin, why the inspection lot got generated, you can see that, and inspection instructions. That is nothing but your inspection plan which we created yesterday. So all this information is available in the lot. I'll show you inspection lot, okay, which is already generated. Let me go to the system. Okay, so I'll take an existing lot. Okay, okay, or let us see, let me put like this. I'll put a lot origin as 01. Let's see. Okay, I'll put the date as 01/01/2020. Okay, I'll select all inspection lots. Let's check. We don't have lots, we don't have 01 lots. Okay, let's check for 05 lots, or let's put one thing, 01 to 89. Okay, we have some lots here. Okay, so suppose if you see here, there is an inspection lot. We have only 5 series and 8, 9 series. 8, 9 the ones which we created in the previous class. That's okay. Suppose if you see here, there is a lot here. Okay, this is a lot number. If you go inside the lot, if you click on the lot, okay, here you can see. First is the material data. Material data. So if you go here, you can see here. This is the material code. This is the lot number. This lot number is created in this plant. Of course, here the batch number is not there, but normally you will have a batch also. Normally you will have a batch. Somebody created this without batch. Normally it will have a batch number. Okay, so it will have the material related data. Okay, next one is, it will have a lot size data. Lot size data means this one. Okay, if you go to lot quantities, you see this is the total quantity and this is the sample quantity. So that quantity related information you can see here. Okay, now the next one is data for inspection lot origin. This is very important. Why this inspection lot got generated? Okay, so that you can see it here. Here you see again data for lot origin. If you go there, of course somebody created it manually. Manually means with other code receipt only, but here you will have that information. When we go to a purchase order, inspection lot through purchase order, that time you can see that information. Okay, now the next one is inspection instructions. Okay, so this one here, specifications. Here you can see the plan. This is the inspection plan, group number, group counter, and its usage. So that information you can see. So lot will contain all this information. Okay, but why the material document is not there here? It should have a material document actually. Should. Okay, let's check it in the system. That's okay. Let's create our own one. Let's see this one. Lot quantities, inspection status, data for account assignment. It's okay. Here it should have that material document number actually. Okay, that's okay. That's not a problem. Suppose if this is 89, right? Manual ones. Okay, not a problem. That's okay. So that is the information, you can see it in the inspection lot. Okay. So now let's continue. So the first step, normally the creation of inspection lot. Okay. So once the inspection lot gets created, okay, okay, then you have to assign the specification. Next step is assignment of inspection specification. After that, sample calculation. Okay, in the inspection lot, you need to calculate the sample quantity. Then only the lot status will get changed to released. Okay. So now we will start the process. So first step is in the quality process, creation of inspection lot. First step. Okay, creation of inspection lot. First step. So this can be automatic, this can be manual, or automatic. Okay. So manual, very rarely you will create manual lot creation. Most of the time, 99.99% lots will get generated automatically. Okay. So now today I will generate a lot automatically. Okay. So what I will do, I'll take our material MMCT. Okay. Let it come. I'll go to our transaction. Let's log in freshly. Wait. Suddenly it will become slow for no reason. Okay. So I'll take the material which we created in the previous class. Not sure what happened. Okay. I'll take this material. I'll take this material 81. Okay. What I will do, I will activate a inspection type. Okay. 81. Go to the material. Go to QM view, quality management view. Okay. Continue. Our plant is 1007. Continue. Okay. Go to inspection setup. Already 89 is there. Okay. I will activate one more inspection type. Click on the button create inspection type. This already we discussed. I will activate a inspection type 05. When it is received, when the material is received from a supplier without purchase order, I want to do quality inspection. Okay. So this 101 we will discuss in the next class. Today I will just generate a lot when the material is received from the supplier without a purchase order. Okay. So I'll activate 05. Click on check. Okay. Activate it. Okay. Okay. Now two are active. Continue. Save it. Okay. So now I will receive the material. Let's say one supplier supplied this material. Supplier supplied this material without a purchase order. So inventory team will do the GR. Let's say I'll do the MIGO. Okay. Before that, I will show you the stock. I'll show you the stock. Okay. This is a material in this plant. I'll show you the stock. Currently, we don't have any stock. Currently, we don't have any stock. No inventory. So now let me do the GR. Go to receipt. Okay. This is without purchase order. Without purchase order. So I'll select other. I'll select other. Okay. Movement type is 501. Okay. So now the material is 81. Okay. This is a material quantity. Let's say I received 100 liter. Okay. Into the plant. Our plant is 1007. I'll enter the storage location. Okay. This is a storage location. I can enter the vendor number also. Okay. Let me enter the vendor number. Not sure. Purchasing. I go to the purchasing organization 1007. Do we have that? Okay. I will enter this vendor. Okay. This vendor supplied this material without a PO. Okay. Due to some reason. No hits for found. Okay. Wait. Okay. Let me take this one. Okay. Batch. It will create a batch. Check. Okay. That's okay. It is creating a batch. Okay. That's okay. Now again I will check. Everything is okay. That means we received this material, nitric acid. Okay. This much quantity, 100 liter. Okay. Into this plant 1007 from this supplier. From this supplier, vendor. Only the thing is he is supplying this material quantity without a PO, without a purchase order, freely, more or less like freely is supplying. So when we receive it, I want to do quality inspection. So now when I do the GR, when I do the posting, it will generate a lot automatically. Now I'm posting. So material document is posted. So now you will get a lot. First, let me refresh the stock overview. See, the stock went into quality inspection. The inventory 100 liter is into now quality inspection, and this is the batch. Batch number is 70. Now this lot you can see it in QA32. QA32. This is the most widely used transaction to see the inspection lot. Okay. Enter the plant. What is our material? Material is 81. Material is 81. Okay. Enter the material code. Okay. Enter the plant and select here. Second radio button. Select only inspection lots without a usage decision. Just execute. See, there is a lot got generated. This is the lot number. This is the material. This is the plant. This is the quantity. Now the lot is in created mode, CRTD. So now if you go to the lot, here you can see. That's what. See, this lot got generated when the material is received from this supplier, and this is the material document number. So you can see in the data for lot origin why this lot is generated. You can see that information. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so now the lot is generated. What is the quantity? Quantity is 100 liter. Now, as of now, sample quantity is not yet calculated. Okay, I did it intentionally. Okay, so now lot got generated automatically. Lot is generated automatically. Now the next one is assignment of inspection plan. Okay, then sample quantity calculation. Sample quantity calculation. Okay, so these two activities also can be done manually or automatically. Okay, I'll show you both. So we are here. Lot got generated already. Now we need to assign the inspection specification. That is nothing but plan. You have to assign the plan to the lot. So this can be done manually or automatically. So if you want to do it manually, what you need to do is again go to your So first let's go to, this is okay. Let's go to Material Master again. You need to go to Material Master, QM view, plant 1007. In the setup, in the inspection type, you see here automatic assignment. This you need to deactivate. Okay, this you need to deactivate. So if you deactivate this, in the lot specification, you have to assign manually. So I deactivated it. Okay, so now save it. Okay, so now the lot is already there. The lot is already there. Where is our lot? This is the lot. Okay, so now let me assign the plan. So in the meantime, I need to make certain change. QP02 81 and 007. Okay, I'll go to header. I'll change the usage to 5. Okay, okay. Now second step. Now we have to assign the inspection plan. So what you need to do is select the lot here. Go to change inspection lot. You need to go here. Click on this button. It will take the lot to change mode. You will go to QA02. Either you can go through this, or if you know the lot, take the lot. Take the lot. If you know the lot number, directly you can go to QA02. QA02. Change inspection lot. QA02. Enter the lot. Enter. Go inside. Now you go here. Go to inspection specification. Now you need to assign the plan here. So to assign the plan, you have to click on this button. Okay, you have to click on this button. So when you click on this button, see system assigned the inspection plan, group number and group count. So this is manual. To do automatic, I will show you in a minute. Now go to sample. Next step, sample calculation. This also can be done manually or automatically. So we are here. Calculation of sample size. So to calculate it manually, go to sample tab. You need to click on this button, sample. See, sample size is calculated. This is manual. So if you want to do it manually, in the inspection type, you have to deactivate the checkbox. Now I am saving it. So when you do this, the lot will get released. If you go to the lot again, see now the lot is released. Previously the lot is in created mode. Now it is released. Okay, so if the lot is not released, you cannot do further activities. You cannot do further activities. Okay, I will show you that also. Okay, so the lot is now released. Okay, suppose let's say I want to do these steps automatically. Assignment of plan and sample quantity calculation. I don't want to do that by going inside and clicking on those buttons. I want the system to do that automatically. Then what you have to do? Go to the Material Master, MM02. Again, go to QM view, plant 1007. Go to inspection setup. Now you activate this checkbox, automatic assignment. Then if you do this, all will happen automatically. Assignment of plan and also sample calculation. So now I activated this checkbox. Continue, save it. Now I will create one more lot. So what I will do, I'll do me go again. Okay, go to receipt other, enter the material quantity. This time let's say 150 liter. Where plant storage location, enter partner, enter the vendor. Okay, it will create a batch. Check. It is creating a batch. That's okay. Now when I post it, now you see the difference. Post it. Done. Now you see there will be a one more lot now. Okay, now I'll go to QA32. QA32. Okay, enter the material 81. Select this option. Execute. Now you will see one more lot. See, second lot has come 150 liter. But what happened? This lot is already released. If you go to the lot, inside the lot, you see, if you go to specification, already the inspection plan is automatically assigned, and also sample quantity calculated. System will do automatically because we activated that checkbox. Okay, so that is the automatic assignment. Automatic. So you have both options. You can do this manually, or if you want, you can set it in the system as automatic. So that is the inspection lot creation. So now as a sample quantity is calculated, lot status will be in released mode. So if it is released, then only you can do the subsequent steps. If the lot is in created mode, it will not allow subsequent activities. Suppose I'll show you again. Let me go to the material change. Now I'll put it as manual. Just to show you, I'll show it. I'll put as manual. Manual again. Okay. Now I'll receive one more quantity. We go. This time I will do it for 200. Same material, quantity 200. Sorry, 200. Okay. Where plant storage location, partner vendor. Okay, batch. It will calculate. That's okay. Now the lot will come, but it will be created. Post it. Done. Now you will get one more lot. I'm refreshing the screen. Okay, see, the one more lot has come, 200 liter. Lot is in created mode. Suppose for this lot, if I want to do results recording, suppose if I want to do results recording for the third lot, which is in created mode, if I try to do results recording, see, it says characteristic results cannot be recorded for inspection lot because it is in created mode. So to carry out subsequent activities, lot has to be in released mode. Okay, but for this lot, you can do results recording. See, for the lot which is already released, it is allowing to do results recording. Okay, so that is the status. So always lot should be in released. Okay, now the next one is sample quantity calculation. Sample quantity is calculated based on the sampling procedure. This already we discussed in depth in our master data classes. Here, sampling procedure, that time we discussed how the sample quantity is calculated, what is sampling procedure, all those things we discussed already. Okay, now the next one is results recording. After the sample quantity calculation, next step is results recording. Results recording. This normally will be done manually. Okay, unless if you want to do it automatically, you should have an interfacing from a third party system. Normally, I don't know, you might have heard of this LIMS. Normally in the industries, they will use a LIMS system. So in the LIMS, they enter the results that will come through interfacing and it update the results recording. If there is no interfacing, then results recording has to be done manually. So what is results recording? Basically what happens is the quality analyst, what he does is he will go to the lot. He sees 100 liter received, out of which I need to take 5 liter sample. So he will take 5 liter sample. He will go to the quality lab and he will perform all the tests. Okay, he will perform all the tests. They will perform all the tests. Whatever the test they need to perform, they will note down all the results, and then they will come to the system. Now they will do the results recording. So next step is results recording. We are here. Results recording. Results recording. Normally it is manual activity. Unless you have a third party interfacing, then it will come and automatically update the results recording. So this is the entering the results in the system. Your inspection results. Okay. So this results recording can be done in various methods. It can be done manually through QA02 transaction. Okay. Or it can be done through a inspection list. Okay, QA32, the most widely used. Or it can be done through a work list transaction called QE51N. Okay, ultimately you will do the same activity, but different transactions are given. I'll show you one by one. Okay, so here if you see, if you go back, this is the work list QA32. So this is the most widely used. You go back, when you go to QA32, it will come like this. It will come like this. Here, enter the date, lot created date, enter the plant, enter your material, and select this radio button. Select only inspection lots without a usage decision. That means it will show you open lots. Now just execute. Lots will come. Let's say this lot inspection activity is completed. I want to do results recording. Select the lot. You need to click on this button. It will take you to the results recording. Select the operation, first operation, and it will take you to the results recording screen. I will come to this again. I'll come to this again. Now go back. Okay, this is one method. Another method is, suppose if you know the lot, take this lot. Okay, go back. You have a transaction called QA02. QA02. From here also you can do. Enter the lot. Enter the lot. Here you see there is a button, record results. Click on that. You will get like this. Enter. Okay. Ultimately, you will go to the same screen. So you can do it from QA02 also. Another transaction is inspection list. Work list we discussed. Another one is inspection list. That is this one. QE51 here. QE51 here. Okay. This is the transaction. I'll close this session, left portion. You will get like this. Here you enter your plant, enter the material 81. Okay. And now just wait. Just execute. Okay. So now you will get like this. You see here. You see, this is a lot number. This is the first operation. Okay. So we have two lots, right? Sorry. Okay. That's okay. First lot, let's start. So this is the lot. Okay. Two operations: physical inspection, chemical inspection. Open the first operation and second operation. So from the same screen, you can do this. Ultimately, you will do the same activity. Now you enter the results recording. So you can do from this transaction also, QE51 here. Okay. But I will do the most widely used QA32. Most widely used is inspection list. Sorry, work list. Work list QA32. Okay. So now let's go back to QA32 /n QA32. Okay, QA32. Lot, dates you enter, plant, enter your material, select the second radio button, select only inspection lots without a usage decision, just execute. You will get all the lots. So first lot I want to do results recording. Okay. So now select it. You need to click on this button. Results recording. Click on that button. We have two operations. It is asking first operation. Select the first operation. Now you are into the results recording screen. So from where these characteristics are coming? Characteristics are coming from the inspection plan assigned to the lot. In the inspection plan, we maintain these characteristics. Try to recollect our yesterday's class. Color, clarity, order we maintain. This is the sample quantity. Okay. So before that, I will make one more setting now. Just give me 1 minute. Let me go to configuration. SAP reference IMG. Scroll down. Go to quality management. Go to quality basic settings. Maintain settings at plant level. Let's go to 1007. Okay, results recording. Okay, I will make this as blank. I'll make this as blank. Okay, I'll come to this again. Now let's do the results recording. I'll just go back once. I'll do it again. So select the lot, go to click on this button, select the operation. Okay, you are into this screen. So now here you have to enter the results. When they do the inspection, they will have all the results. They will come to the system. They will enter the results here. Okay. So color, select from here. First color. Let's say color is red, or let's say color is green. Enter the color. Select the color. Next clarity. Clarity is okay. Okay. And then order. Let's say order is okay. Enter. So once you enter this, next activity is you select the inspection lot, you select the operation, you do the results recording. So we completed till this part. We selected the lot, we selected the operation, then we entered all the results for each characteristic. Now you have to do the valuation. Valuation means you have to say accept or reject. Okay, so this valuation here, when you do valuation, if it is accept, this symbol will come, right symbol will come. If it is reject, red color with cross symbol will come. That is valuation. So this valuation, now let's do it. So what you do, select the three MICs. Here you see there is a button. Okay, the button. You have to click on that valuate button. So when you do valuation, observe carefully. What is the current status of the MICs? Status is 1. If you click on that, current status is 1, must be processed. Okay, when you do valuation, status will get changed to 3. Okay, select them. Now do the valuation. Valuation is done. All are accepted. All are accepted. Okay, valuation is accepted. Now the status is changed to 3. Status is changed to 3. Okay, now after this you need to close it. So this one, after the valuation, you have to close the results. You have to click on the log button. Log button. When you do this, status will get changed to 3. We did the valuation. We did the valuation, and then next one you have to close it. When you close it, the status will get changed to from 3 to 5. Okay, here. Now the status is 3. Now we need to close it. So select it. Here you see there is a button. Log button. Close. What happened? Status is now changed to 5. So this is one. Now first operation is completed. Now we need to go to second operation. So what you need to do? Click on this button. You see activity. Next operation. Click on that button. It will take you to the next operation. Should the data for the operation be saved? Yes. Now it will take you to second operation. So now we are in second operation. Operation 20, chemical inspection. So these are the MICs. So now enter the result. Let's say pH value is 8. Assay is, let's say, 1 or 2. Okay, and viscosity is, let's say, 6. Enter. Results have come. Now select the results, select the MICs, do valuation, and then close. So now they got closed. So like this you can do. Now once you do this, finally save the results recording. So results recording is completed. Now if you refresh, you see there will be a status change. Refresh. See, what is the status change now? It is changed to INSP. INSP RREC. That status you can see it here. If you click on the lot, this is the place where you can see the status. If you click on I button, you can see that. Same like for PP production order, you can see, right? Same thing. Okay, so now what we are doing here, we are doing the valuation. We are doing this valuation. After entering the results, we are doing the valuation and closure manually, but this can also be automated. Okay, instead of doing that, you can automate it. No need to click on those buttons. So to do it automatically, what you need to do is in the configuration, go to configuration, plant level configuration. And I'm in the configuration here. In the results record, I'll show you from the beginning. Wait. Okay, here you have to go in the configuration, in the QM, go to basic settings. I'll show you again. Go to basic settings, maintain settings at plant level. Go there. What is our plant? 1007. Select the plant. Go to details. Here in the results recording, here you see recording configuration. There is option here. What you do, you select automatic close. You select this automatic close. Now you see the difference. Continue. Now system only will do the valuation and it will do the closure. Okay, so now we will see for the second lot. Okay, refresh. Now let's do the results recording for the second lot. Select the second lot because first lot is already completed. So now let's do for the second lot. Go to the results recording, select first operation. Okay, now enter the result again, same thing. Red. Okay, this is okay. Okay, okay, enter. Okay, see the moment I entered, what happened? Status directly changed to 5. That means valuation happened and also closure happened. because we changed the config. Okay, now go to the next operation. It will ask for the save. Yes. Okay, now we are in the second operation, MICs. Let's say this pH value 9, say 103, viscosity, let's say 5. The moment I enter, status directly will get changed to 5. Enter. See, it got changed to 5. So no need to click on this button, valuation button and close button, not required. Now save. So done. Results recording is done. For the second operation, second lot also, we completed the results recording. So that is the results recording. So either you can do this too manually or automatically. Client will decide what they want. Results recording. Okay. So once you enter the result, once you do the valuation accept or not okay, and after that your MIC status will get changed to file completed, processing complete. Now after this, next step is usage decision. Usage decision. Next step is the usage decision. Usage decision. Okay, this normally manual or sometimes you can do automatically. That is also possible. Okay, now the usage decision and followed by the stock posting. If it is a stock relevant lot, it will have a stock posting. Okay, so now we will understand what is usage decision. Next step, usage decision. Okay, so usage decision is nothing but approving the lot, approving or rejecting the overall quantity. After results recording and inspection completion, you must make a usage decision for the inspected goods. Usage decision, UD. They simply call it as UD. It specifies whether the goods in the inspection lot have been accepted or rejected for use. Okay, that means overall you are accepting the quantity or rejecting the quantity. Okay, you can use the usage decision to make stock postings for inspection lots that have been created because of goods movement. So after the UD, you can do stock posting also, provided that lot has been created because of any goods movement. Okay, and when you do UD, you can do certain activities. I will explain in a minute. Okay, so basically UD means overall you are accepting the lot, making you accepting the quantity, overall quantity, or you are saying it is rejected. That means it is moved to block stock. Okay, so that is the UD. So now we need to carry out the usage decision. Okay, usage decision is carried out by using the catalogs. Already we discussed catalogs with catalog type 3 usage decision. Okay, so if you go to our catalogs, I'll open one more session. QS51. If you go to catalog type, what is it? 3. If you go to 3, or let us wait, QS41 only we will go. Catalog type 3. Okay, you have this many. You have this many. See, catalogs. This many. Catalog type is 3. Catalog type is 3 in that code group, and these are all the codes. These are all the codes. So using this, you will do the usage decision. Okay. So now let's do the usage decision. Again, stock posting, we will come to that. Now let's do the usage decision. Again, as usual, usage decision also can be done from multiple transactions. So here, you can do from QA02 also. If you go to QA02, enter the lot, here you can click on this button. Usage, record usage decision. Click on that. You can do it from here, or you can do it from normal QA32. Same, QA32, refresh. Okay, now select it. You can go to click on this button. It will take you to the usage decision, UD. Click on this button. Ultimately, it will take you to the same screen. It will take you to the same screen. Okay, same screen. But one more thing. Even before doing the results recording, you can do UD. Okay, it's not that after results recording only you can do UD. No, even without results recording also you can do the UD. That is called forced UD. That interview question. In the interviews, they will ask this question. Okay, you can do forced UD. Means without doing results recording, you can skip this step and then you can do directly UD. I will show you that how it can be done. Okay, let's say because first two lots already we completed results recording. I will take the third lot. First, I will release this lot because this lot is in created mode. Okay, go to specification, assign it, calculate the sample quantity, done, save it. Okay, now refresh. Now if you observe, lot is released, but results recording is not done, this third lot. Now if I try to do directly UD, it will allow, but it will give some warning message. Click on the usage decision button. See, it is directly doing. Okay, suppose if I select, now you are getting some required characteristics are still open. Do you want to force inspection completion? That means system is saying results recording is not yet completed, but do you want to do UD? Yes. If I want to do, yes, you can do. This is called forced UD. Interview question. Can we do results record? Can we do UD without results recording? Yes, possible. Forced UD. System will allow. Okay. So that is the concept. Okay. Anyhow, I will not do that. No. Okay. Now again, let's go to UD. Select the lot, first lot where we did the results recording. Go to UD. Now here you see there is a UD code. Now select it. These are coming from our catalogs. So if it is accepted, because all our results are okay, so now you will select this one, A1, accepted unrestricted use stock. Okay, this one. So what they do is, along with usage decision, they will do stock posting. So if it is accepted, what they do is they post the stock from quality inspection to, okay, if it is accepted, they post the stock from quality inspection to unrestricted use, approved stock. If it is rejected, they will post the stock normally from QA to blocked stock. This is blocked stock. If the lot is accepted, they will post to UU, unrestricted use, approved stock. If it is rejected, they will post the stock from QA to blocked stock. Okay, so here, where is our stock now? Our stock, if you go to stock overview, it is in quality inspection. Now once it is approved, they will move it from here to here. If it is rejected, they will move it from here to blocked stock here. Okay, so now let's do the UD. So I selected the UD code. Now you need to go to here. There is a tab here, inspection lot stock. Go to that tab. Now the stock is in quality inspection. Now as it is accepted, I will post it to unrestricted use. Enter the code. Okay, so now we are posting it to approved stock. Okay, so we are here. We are posting the stock. Okay, stock posting. We are posting it to approved stock. Okay, that is called stock posting. Now when I save it, when I save this, automatically stock will move from here to here to here. Okay, so enter the stock here, unrestricted use. Now just save it. Okay, usage decision is saved. Okay, when you save the usage decision, all activities are completed. These traffic lights will change to green. Okay, but if I refresh, it will go. What I will do, I'll go back. I'll select this radio button. See, first lot, all are completed, including UD. Status also changed to UD. And you see the lights, green light. Now it is showing with green light. That means all activities are completed. That is UD. And we posted the stock, right? So now if you go to stock overview, stock will move from here to here automatically. Refresh. See, stock is moved to quality from here to here. And the movement type is 320. When it is moved from quality to unrestricted use, the movement type is 321. Okay, and you can see that here. Put the cursor on the stock, right click, go to material movements. See, with 501 we received it, 501 we received it, and from 321 it is transferred to unrestricted use. Okay, so that is the understood. Suppose let's say the quantity is rejected, then you can move it to blocked stock. I will show you for the next lot. Suppose this lot I want to move it to blocked stock. Okay, I want to reject it due to some reason it got rejected, and we are rejecting the lot, we are rejecting the quantity. So go to usage decision as usual, select the UD code, rejected, enter, go to stock, inspection lot stock, put it in the blocked stock 150. So now stock will get moved to blocked stock. Save it. So we are doing UD and stock posting. Refresh. Okay, done. UD, our lot status will get updated with UD. UD and SPCO, stock posting completed. Now if you go to MMB, stock is moved from here to here, refreshing it. See, stock is moved to blocked stock. It is moved to block stock. If you go to material movements, put the cursor on the stock, go to material movements. See, with 501 we received it. With 350, it is moved to block stock. Movement type is 350. I believe being a PP consultant, you know what is a movement type. You know movement type. Okay, and even during the stock posting, you can consume the sample quantity. Suppose let's say your client says that sample quantity is consumed. What is our sample quantity? 5, right? 5. They say that they want to consume the sample quantity. Then during stock posting, you can consume it. I'll do for the third one. Select it, go to usage decision, select the UD code. That's okay. We are doing first UD. Yes. Accept, enter. And also here, you can see all the quality results. If I close this, it gets automatically opened up. Normally, sometimes you can close it also. And here you can see all the quality results. Your results recording can be seen here. You see, these are all your MICs. These are all your specifications. These are all your text. And if you scroll to right, there is a result. Where is the result? Actually, for this one, we haven't done the results recording, right? Okay, wait on. Let me do the results recording. Wait, how much time it will take? Let's do the results recording. Wait. I want to show the results. There you can, on the UD screen, you can see the results also. That's what I wanted to show. Right? This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Enter. It got closed. And the next one. Yes. Okay. Next one. This is, let's say, 10 pH 10 assay 103, and this one 5. Enter. Now see it. Results recording. Okay, done. Refresh. Now I will do the UD. I'll do the UD. So in the UD, as of now here it is not showing the results, right? Results, right? If you click on this button, it will show you all the results recorded. See, you have to click on that button. If you click on that, you can see all the results over here. This is the results we entered. From the UD screen, you can see the results recorded. Now go to the UD code, accept, enter. Now go to inspection lot stock tab. Here, what is our sample quantity? 5 liter. So 5 liter is consumed during quality inspection. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So now here, this normally during quality inspection, this sample quantity is consumed because this is used for inspection activity. So if you want to post that consumption, that also can be done. So unrestricted use 195 and the remaining one sample consumption 5. That is also possible. That also you can do. So now only 195 quantity will get moved to unrestricted use, and this 5 quantity will get consumed from the system. Let's see that. Let's see whether it will allow. Some finance settings are not there. Some finance settings are not there. Account determination. That's why it is not doing. But normally, if all the settings are in place, it will allow normally. Okay, it will allow. Okay, this I will set up some MM and FI settings are not there. If the settings are there, it will allow. OBYC settings are missing. Okay, that is also possible. Okay, so that's all. So this is the total end-to-end quality process. And you can create manual lot also. So when you create a manual, the stock posting will not be there. The tab itself will not be there. Suppose if I create a lot manually, I'll show you that. I'll come out of this. I'll create a lot manually. QA01. Manual lot, I'm creating it. 89, enter. Let's say I received a file, just some for purpose, I'm doing manual lot. That's okay. I'm assigning the plan, sample quantity, I'm calculating. I'll create the batch. Okay, done. Now I'm saving the lot. Normally in the real time lots, they will not create manually. Very rare exceptional situation they will create. Now if you go to lot change mode, I try to do directly UD. If I go to UD, see in the UD tab, you see that inspection stock, the tab itself is not there. Why the tab is not there? Because this lot is created manually. This is a manual lot. This lot is not created due to any goods movement. That is why that stock posting will not be there. Interview question: can you do stock posting for manual lots? No, not possible. The tab itself is not. Okay, that is a one change. But once the lot is created, the process remains same. Your lot gets released, then you do results recording UD. Only stock posting will not be there in case of manual. In case of manual. Okay. Okay. So with this, we are done with the inspection execution. Okay.